Okay, now we're on to part 2 of the test, starting with question 7. Given the relationship y equals x squared plus 2, complete the table of values, and then we're going to graph it. Now, to show our work, I'm going to extend the table. You can do this on either side. And no, it doesn't have to be perfect, although it's nice to keep it neat. And I'm going to use this extra column to substitute my values in and find out what I'm going to get for my y. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill them all in, plugging in my input values. They need to be squared or raised to the second power. Alright. Okay. Now let's see what happens. So negative 2 squared, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Negative 1 squared is 1, plus 2 is 3. 0 squared is 0, plus 2 is 2. 1 squared is 1, plus 2 is 3. And then the last one, 4 plus 2 is 6. Alright, so we have our points. Negative 2, 6. Negative 1, 3. 0, 2. 1, 3. And 2, 6. Now, if you connect these dots, this is not a V shape, this is a U shape or a parabola. So, is the relationship a function? Yes, it is. Why or why not? The reason why, each input has exactly one output. Now, if you wanted to use the vertical line test, you could, as long as you remember to state why it passes the vertical line test. And the reason it passes the vertical line test is because every vertical line you draw in the graph will only hit the graph once, or only have one point on it. Okay? This is not a linear function. This has nothing to do with linear. So if you said anything about constant rate of change, that is completely incorrect. Alright? If you're still having trouble with this, make sure you see your math teacher for another explanation.